Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be quick yes or no, but this will be with the fortune wheel reading, okay, with the fortune wheel which I have made. So with this we will try to find out the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no or maybe whatever it is we will find out, okay. So I have 4 piles here. You can choose any one of the pile, but please make sure that one question is for one pile, okay. Then after that I will pull some tarot cards and also one guidance card I will pull for you so that you can get the clarity of your question. Then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for constant support and the motivation. And whoever is new to my channel, welcome to my channel. That's all I can say. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. So please take it whatever resonates with you. And also, please try to manifest or try to combine your energy with the reading, okay. So whenever I'm doing the reading, you also think about the question or think about the person, whichever you have the question in your mind, so that you can combine the energies with the reading, okay. And you can ask the universe directly, then you can get the correct answer, okay. So let us not waste time. And I sincerely thank all my viewers, and also I would request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel, okay. If you like my readings, then you can like, share and subscribe, okay. That's all. Then we will start. We have 4 piles here. Pile number 1, amethyst. Pile 2, white agate. Pile 3, green aventurine. Pile 4, black tourmaline. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile, okay. You can ask any number of questions, like 4 questions you have, you can ask all the 4 questions but different piles, okay. Let us start the reading, guys. Let me take out the other stones. Whoever chose this amethyst, this reading is for you. So we will ask spirits and angels, what is the answer for your question? Please try to ask the universe whatever question you have in your mind. I have couple of answers written on this fortune wheel, then you can get the answer, okay. Are you ready, guys? Please think about your question and be ready, okay. Ready? 1 2 3. Okay, so the answer is no, and universe is saying that you have to wait for some time. Actually it is almost near to yes. It will be more towards no, but in between yes and no. So almost universe is trying to say that you have to wait for the right moment and you have to try to manifest. You don't lose the hope. Whatever question it may be, you have to try to manifest. You have to use the manifestation techniques, or you have to try to connect with the universe, or try to meditate. You can try to manifest, but there is a waiting time. It is not immediately, it won't happen, okay. So let us pull some more cards, tarot cards, so that you can get the clarity, okay. Whatever question pile number 1 asked, so why the answer is no, okay. Why the answer is no? Please give us some clarity. Spirit guides and angels, please give us some answer. Please give us some clarity. Why the answer is wait or no? Okay, already waiting card is there. Bottom of the deck we have Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so we have 4 cards here. 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands and the Temperance. Okay, so you might be asking a question related to money, finance, or whatever it may be, because I cannot judge your questions. One of the comment came that I am saying about love related questions only, but here I cannot see any love related question. So maybe you are asking about a job, career, finance, or travel. Okay, it can be love related also, but as of the cards I can see like that, okay. So you have to wait for the right time, because 2 of Wands is there, that is a waiting. So you have to wait patiently and you have to try to manifest the correct answer which you are wanting or which you are asking. Why? Because there is no balance in the right now there is no balance in the situation. Okay, so in future, slowly but steadily, because Knight of Pentacles is there. Knight of Pentacles is a action card, but it is a very very slow action. Okay, you will get the desired result, you will get the desired answer, but not right now, not immediately. Okay, it will take lot of time, because Knight of Pentacles means it is the slowest moving card in the deck. Okay, so there is an action, there will be an action. Suppose if you are asking about a person, when this person will come back to me. So this person will come back to me, but you need to have a balance in your life, and this person will come back to you. Even if you are asking about a love related question, this person is not leaving you. Okay, so if you are thinking that there is no communication, no contact, this person is far away from me, long distance relationship, so will he come, he or she come back to me? So definitely he will come back, because there is a action, and they will come with an offer. So but it will take some time. Okay, they are not leaving you, you no need to lose your hopes on this situation, but it will take a lot of time. Suppose if you are asking about a job also, the same thing will be applicable. Even if you are asking about money, because King of Knight of Pentacles is a money related card. You can see a golden coin in that person's hand. Okay, that means maybe an offer will be coming to you, but it will take time. Okay, so whatever is the your question, the answer is wait. Okay, I cannot say it is no, because it is in between yes and no. So you have to manifest, it won't come so easily, you have to manifest the right one. Okay, let us pull one guidance card. Universe and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. So the stone we got here is Amazonite. Are you holding back something you need to say? The truth about the certain matter needs to be spoken. Honesty is important at this time. Have the courage to speak up with grace. Loving words have the power to heal or improve a situation. So these are the affirmations, friends. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Angel of truth and honesty. I live my truth and honestly communicate what is on my mind with ease. I effortlessly find the words to express my truth and speak eloquently and lovingly. I surround myself with people who are not afraid to honestly express themselves. Okay, very nicely said. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Let us move to pile number 2. Whoever chose this white agate, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question. Let us ask the fortune wheel to tell us the answer. Okay, so please think about your answer, connect with the universe, try to combine your energies with the reading and ask the question. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, so the answer for this question is no. You can see, so not the right time. Okay, so the answer is no, and the sentence it is written as not the right time. Universe is saying it is not a right time for this question whichever you asked. So let us pull some tarot cards so that we will know the answer with clarity. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Why the answer is no? Why it is saying not the right time? Please give us some clarification. Three of Wands, Temperance, the Hierophant, Queen of Wands. Okay, so these are the cards we have here. So maybe if you are asking about money or love relationship or whatever it may be. So universe is saying that this is not a right time. You have to wait for. Yeah, so Three of Wands is a waiting energy. Okay, so whatever you are asking for, that energy did not leave you, that person did not leave you, or whatever offer you are asking about, that did not leave you. So, but it will take some time. Why? Once you get the balance, there is no balance in your thoughts or in your current situation. So you have to find the balance, because one leg is in the water, one leg is on the land. So even the question you are asking also, there is no clarity. So you are simply asking a vague question. You are not determined about the question. So you yourself are not sure whether you want it or not. So universe is saying that you have to get the balance first, then you will get eventually, because it is not the right time. Okay, so one maybe a Taurus person you are asking about. This person is well known or famous, and he or she has a social status. They are very matured, respected by everybody, taking the answers from him. Okay, taking guidance from that person, whether it is male or female. So that kind of a person will be entering into your life. Maybe if you are asking about a job or anything, so this kind Taurus person will help you to get the job, or Taurus person will come into your life. If you are asking about a person, so this person will be coming back to your life, but you have to maintain your passion, maintain your desire live till that time. Okay, suppose if I have a desire today, but tomorrow if I forget about the desire, then what is the use? So whatever you are asking, you should maintain the thoughts and feelings like that live, okay, for some time, because they are saying this is not the right time to manifest that or to get that whatever you are asking, because Queen of Wands is there. So you are passionate now, but same thing you have to continue. You have to get the balance in your thoughts, in your situation. So definitely one person, there is a person in your life which you know or don't know, but this person will definitely come and help in your life. Okay, so that is what I am getting. Pile number 2. So let us pull one guidance card for you. Pile number 2. Let us pull one guidance card. Let us pull one guidance card. Okay, I got the stone as Green Aventurine. Do you wish for more luck? Be assured that you have all the luck you need. It's almost as if you have a 4-leaf clover in your pocket. Focus on your vast abundance and you will attract more. You have good luck and great adventures when you travel. Okay? Angel of good fortune. I am so incredibly lucky. I have many blessings in my life. Abundance and prosperity are constantly following in my life. I am grateful for those gifts. Safe, adventurous travel filled with cosmic coincidence is a certainty. Okay, please take a screenshot. These are very, very strong and powerful formations, friends. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this Green Aventurine, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. Let us pull the fortune wheel and ask the universe if the answer for your question is yes or no. Please try to think about your question. Try to combine your energies with the spirits and angels. So ask universe clearly what is the answer for your questions. Okay, are you ready? Let us start. Okay, so the answer is yes, and you will manifest. Okay, so answer is yes, but it is almost near to no and yes in between, but the answer is yes. Okay, but you have to you have to put more efforts to manifest, and definitely you will receive it. Okay, so whatever question you asked, the answer is yes. But let us see, let us pull tarot cards to get more clarity on this question. Okay, spirits and universe, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity why the answer is yes and manifest. why the answer is yes. Please give us some clarity or guidance how to manifest, because okay, the Tower, Seven of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. Okay, so these are all the cards I have for you here. Okay, so first of all, I can see that this is related, this question might be, okay, I'm not saying it is must, but many people are watching this reading, so some of you will have a question of relationship or love, or it is related to your connection with somebody. Okay, maybe you are a single mom, or you are asking about a single mom, or you are asking about a mother or father of your children. Okay, this question is related to that. Okay, so you are asking whether he or she will come back into my life, or will I travel, will I get the my job, or will I get the offer, or will I get the money back, or will I get the settlement if you are filing a divorce. So it can be any kind of a question, but what I can see is whatever you are asking, it will happen. The answer is yes, but it will happen in an unexpected way. When you are not expecting that time, this thing will happen, whatever you are asking for. Okay, so till now you were struggling a lot, you were standing alone, and you don't have any support actually. So for in this matter, whatever is the question, so you don't have any support, but still you are standing strong, and you are facing all the difficulties, you are facing all the problems with ease. Okay, so you are not complaining to anybody, you are not asking anybody's help, you are alone, you are doing everything on your own, but the universe will give you a gift unexpectedly. Okay, so something or someone will come into your life with an offer, because you can see Knight of Pentacles, it is a action card. Okay, so eventually you will get it. Okay, whatever you are asking for, eventually you will get it because of the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so very nice reading, and everything is clear for me. I no need to struggle to think what the messages I'm getting for. It is very clear. Universe is saying very clearly, so whatever you want, you will get it. Okay, but you have some mental turmoil, mental struggle, because the Tower card is there, Seven of Wands card is there, so you are struggling. I can understand, I can feel the pain of the viewers who are asking this question. This question is little bit tough, okay, for you to ask, because you are already having these troubles, or already you have faced this, but the answer is yes. Finally the victory will be yours. Okay, all the best viewers, whoever asked this question. Okay, let us pull one guidance card from the spirits and angels. Universe, please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Okay, I have the stone here, tourmalinated quartz. Okay, are you a slave to technology? Are you being bombarded by too many electromagnetic frequencies? Amplify the protection from these draining forces by reconnecting with the earth. Take periodic breaks from electronics and recognize yourself. Okay, maybe you are using too many gadgets, maybe phone, TV, mobile, okay, whatever it is. So universe is saying that take a break, okay, and spend some time with yourself. These are the affirmations, friends. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Angel of energy fields. I am grounded and focused. I enjoy relaxing in nature and to regenerate and rejuvenate my energy field. My body easily deflects electromagnetic frequencies in my environment. I balance my life with fresh air and sunshine. Very nice. So these are the affirmations. So universe is asking you to spend more time in the nature or sunshine. Okay, so they are asking you, forget about all this pain or struggle, whatever you are facing right now. I'm feeling so much sad energy. I don't know why. Even my throat also is little not good at this time. So please rest, whoever is asking. Some people, whoever, I don't know, it is applicable for everybody. Some people, somebody asked with pain, okay, with a lot of struggle in their life. For them, may God bless you, and you will get it, whatever you want, whatever you asked, definitely you will get it. Universe will definitely bless you. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this last pile, black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Let us see whether the answer for your question is yes or no. Okay, let us ask spirits and angels if the answer is yes or no. Okay, so think about your question, whatever question is there in your mind. Try to combine your energies with the universe. Ask the universe directly and we will see the answer. Okay, are you ready with the question? Okay, let us start. Okay, so the answer is no or wait. Let us see why it is no and why universe is asking you to wait. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Why the answer is no? Why the answer is no for my last pile, fourth pile people? Why the answer is no? Spirits and angels. Judgment. Knight of Cups and Two of Wands. Okay, the Tower moment is the bottom of the deck. Okay, so whatever question you are asking, suddenly something happened or it is going to happen. So maybe you are asking about a person, will they come back to you? Okay, so answer is no, wait. So even this person is also waiting for you to come back because they are also having the globe in their hand. They want to offer to you, but this is not the right time. Definitely they will come back to your life, or whatever offer you are asking about, it will come back to you. It will happen unexpectedly, suddenly. Sometimes maybe it will happen in a very destructive way also, but it will take time. That is the reason universe is saying no, wait, because the Tower moment can imply two meanings. Okay, so one is like it will be good, and other one is universe is saying whatever question you are asking, that is not good for you. It will collapse your world. Okay, so there will be judgment happening in this situation, so you no need to worry about that. Whatever universe is giving you, whatever God or whatever whoever you trust and pray, so they are giving the judgment to you. Maybe you don't know whether it is good for you or not. So definitely after that, a right person or a right offer will come to you in the form of Knight of Cups. Okay, so slowly and steadily you have to wait patiently for this offer or for this person, but definitely you will receive it. Okay, and maybe the other option will be good for you. Okay, but you have to wait for the right person or a right thing for the right moment. Okay, but Judgment is a positive card, Knight of Cups is a positive card, Two of Wands is a waiting card. So you have to wait, as we got the answer, waiting card is there. So you have to wait, but now right now it will not happen. Maybe it is not good for you because of the Tower card. Please rethink about this question. Okay, whatever you asked, rethink. I don't know what question you asked for, but still I can see it is not good for you. Okay, please take it however it resonates with you. Let us pull one guidance card for you. Spirits and angels, please give us one guidance card. Spirits and angels. And one more thing, maybe some of you are asking about this person will come back to me or not. Okay, so the past person will come back to you and reconcile. Any new person, if you are thinking about that person is not good for you, so your past person will come back to your life. A reconciliation will happen. You will have a happy, good life. Okay, if you are asking about the relationship, that is what I am getting. Okay, so let us pull one guidance card. Joy sight with Ruby. Do you joyously give but are unable to receive? It's time to receive with grace. It is safe to allow others to do nice things for you and shower you with gifts. Permit blessings and love to pour into your open, receptive heart. Receptive heart, not respective, sorry. It is receptive heart. These are all the affirmations. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. Angel of receiving. I am willing to receive love. The door to my heart is open. allowing blessings to flow into my life. I accept gifts, love, and attention with ease and grace. I am grateful for all that is bestowed upon me. Okay, very nice affirmations. If you want, you can take a screenshot also. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 4. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.